Hey, come with me to write a cover letter in just a few seconds with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool open to the public and can act as your personal assistant for anything you need researched, written, or answered. I'm going to ask it this very specific prompt. Write me a persuasive cover letter for this job description, and let's copy and paste the job description here. And here's what it's spitting out. Pretty cool, right? The applications of ChatGPT are endless, and I've actually created a full training to get meh answers to incredibly aligned answers with 4 hacks that I discovered. I've also created 100 other prompts for various stages of the job search process, from clarifying your immediate career path to creating a 3 to 5 year vision to writing resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and cover letters just like this one. And ta-da! You have a beautiful cover letter in seconds. I highly recommend that you check for accuracy and make sure what you're submitting can be a true representation of you. However, if you need a foundation, you don't want to stare at a blinking cursor, and you just want to overcome writer's block and make your job search easier, ChatGPT is an incredibly useful and powerful tool. Check out the caption to learn more about how to use ChatGPT in your job search, and let me know in the comments, have you used it yet?